Hi guys, today I have an easy focaccia bread recipe cooked in a cast iron skillet. This is one of my favorite breads, and it's an easy foolproof recipe that'll always give you a great finished product. Let's get started with our yeast. We need the water to be between 105 and 110 degrees Fahrenheit. Too hot and it'll kill the yeast, too cold and it'll take longer for it to wake up. We also want to add some honey to the water so the yeast has something to eat. Then we just need to set it aside for about 10 minutes. We know it's ready when there's a nice layer of foam on top. Add the flour, the salt, and the honey water yeast mixture to the mixer and mix it on speed 3 for 10 minutes. And don't forget, I always have the full recipe in the description box. You can see how wet this dough really is. This is what you're looking for. It should be really tacky and runny like this. This is going to give you a nice moist airy focaccia when it's baked off. Add the olive oil to the cast iron pan. Then we're going to add our focaccia dough to it and spread it out evenly. Here's a quick tip. Add olive oil to your hand so the focaccia dough won't stick when you spread it. Now we just need to cover the pan with plastic wrap and set it somewhere warm to proof for an hour and a half. You can see how soft this dough is now. Now we want to push some holes into the top of the dough using our fingers. I forgot to put some olive oil in there. You can see how it's sticking, but we're going to come back, drizzle some olive oil, and then poke some more holes into it. You want the holes to have a little bit of olive oil in there. This is traditional with focaccia. I'm going to top the focaccia with cherry tomatoes and rosemary, but you can do anything you want. Sun-dried tomatoes, any kind of pesto, whatever you want. Now would be the time to add it. And then we're going to put it on top and let it proof for another 30 minutes. After proofing for 30 minutes, I'm going to top it with white truffle sea salt. If you don't have that, you can use kosher salt or Himalayan salt. Then we'll bake it in a 400-degree oven for 30 minutes. Look at this golden brown focaccia. It's got a nice layer of crunch on the bottom, roasted tomatoes, touches of salt, rosemary. It's a beautiful bread. Thanks for watching, everyone. I hope you enjoyed my video on how to make easy focaccia bread in a cast iron skillet. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Let me know what videos you want to see next. See you next time.